Why does your scanner show the P2639 engine code? What does it mean? P2639 is a diagnostic trouble code for torque management feedback signal A-low. The P2639 engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine computer, PCM, is detecting low voltage or a communication error from the module managing engine power output and smooth shifting. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed auxiliary coolant pump, wiring and connector issues, blown fuse, faulty coolant pump relay, ECM or PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Lincoln, Honda, Acura, Toyota, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.